Hello everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel. My name is Tim Legend and I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. Do you want to learn how to make stunning animation videos like this and how I used it to make $60, which is approximately 54,000 Naira in Nigerian currency? Alright, in this video today, I will teach you exactly how I did it, how I created this video, and how also I got my customer. So you want to make sure you watch closely and listen to every single details. So I want to show you guys how to actually make quite a lot of money simply by creating simple animation story videos. All right, so I'll just show you something. I need to go straight to my PayPal. Okay, I want to show you guys something. All right, as you can see currently here, I have $60.85. Okay, so now I want to show you who sent this money. If we go straight to my WhatsApp, I want to show you guys something. All right, so this is Mr. Kendrick. Okay, let me give him a reply because I've seen the alert. Thanks, boss. I have received it. Okay, so I want to show you guys something. This is a client of mine whom I got online. All right, so I wanted to pay close attention because every single thing that I'll be teaching you, I want to teach you how to start a career that is going to help you make a lot of money online. And not just to show you how to start a career, I'm also going to show you how to get your customers. Okay, so pay close attention and don't miss any single thing that I'll be explaining so that you understand it clearly. So this is a client whom I actually make animations for, animation video stories for. All right, so this is just me and our conversation. He actually calls me Timmy, unlike other people who call me Tim. Okay, so this is a payment that he made. He sent a screenshot, which is the $60 which I just showed you guys recently on my PayPal, which is currently on my PayPal. Now the question is, what do I do for him to get paid? He paid me $60 for 3 videos that I sent to him, just 3 videos. Okay, now what did I do for him to make him pay such money? I will show you every single thing in a bit and even teach you how to do it and get started. Okay, so is this video something you're really looking forward to learning from? Why not hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will continue to learn something new from me every single day that I post a new content in this channel. My name is Tim Legend. I'm a Forex trader, a digital marketer, and an online skill coach. All I teach you guys are ways for you to make money online. So please don't hesitate to hit the like button in case if you find this video really helpful to you. Okay, so I said I'm going to give you guys 2 updates. One, how to create this kind of animations, and number 2, how to get your customers. So the first thing is you want to gain a skill. All right, you know, if you want to make money, you need to make sure you have the source of the money. What do I mean by this source? What I mean is you want to make sure you have that skill that you can turn into a service that people are willing to pay for. Okay, so what I did for Mr. Kendrick was simply to render a service to him simply by creating content for him. And what he does with those content is he takes it to post in his platforms, probably YouTube, Facebook, or wherever he posts it. He knows what he does with the contents. All right, so my own business is to create the contents for him. Sometimes I can generate ideas myself, and sometimes he might be the one to tell me, Timmy, I want you to create a video on this kind of a topic. Okay, so you want to first of all have the skill. So all the step-by-step guide on how I created this kind of a video, all right, they are all on description of this video. Once you head to description, the very first link there is the link to the video. So you want to watch it. Is about 17 minutes. All right, so you're going to learn every single step I took to create this video. Then after you have gained this skill, the next thing is how to get your customers. Are you finding value in this content right now? Could you support me by hitting the like button and also use the comment section to ask questions, whatever it is you want me to talk about, probably in my next video. Please don't hesitate to leave it on the comment section. One final thing, on the description of this video, you're going to see the link of my WhatsApp and Telegram community. So you want to make sure you click on it and join the community where I get to give you guys tips and ideas on how to make more money online every single day. Okay, so step 2 How to get your customers. Now there are various ways you can get your customer. Number one way is you can actually get customers for this kind of animation right from YouTube. Now the question is, how do I do that? Now let me take you on a very quick step guide on how to actually get customers from YouTube. Now pay close attention. So you're going to come over to your YouTube app, open it, and then click on search. Then we search for animated stories. So you can say if maybe animated stories for kids, depending on the kind of stories you want to venture into. Okay, so let's search for animated story for kids and this, and then it's going to take us here. All right, now you can see on these channels we have channels that are having 50 million views. We have this one 379,000 views. All right, you can't work for this kind of people, or for now you can't work for them, okay, because they already probably have a lot of sources which they use in doing their work. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to filter them. So what we're going to do, we click on the three dots on the top right, click on search filter, and then we want to click on, right now is on relevance under the sort by, so we want to click on rating and then search. So we're going to go back. So now you can see it has, YouTube has just filtered channels for us. Now this person had 2 views posting this video just 1 day ago. This person had 2.6k views posting 10 days ago. All right, now this person had 3.1 view posting 3 weeks ago. Right, so this one had just 325 views posting 5 days ago. Now the relevance of this is that you have seen channels that are having little views or gradual growing views. Okay, so these are the kind of people you can actually work with. You can tell them, so all you want to do is, maybe for this person you want to click on his or her channel. You want to click on his or her channel. All right, so this is the main channel of this person, and you want to check out her about section to see if you have any information or email. All right, so she didn't put any email here, but maybe this Facebook profile might take you to her profile to chat with her. Or the easiest trick you can actually use to get her attention faster could be going to her latest video. So let's say here she has 65 views and she posted just a day ago, and right now her mind would really be on this, her latest video. She wants to likely know who would comment on the video. Right, let us play her own video to see what her stories look like. Okay,
there lived a peculiar creature named Pinky the Pink Panther. He was entirely pink from the
now observing from her own video, you will notice she's just using photos, and then she has a voiceover that is speaking over the photos. All right, so that even makes it more interesting for you to meet a customer like this and show them how your own animation can even move, like the video that I created, which I showed you guys.
In a tranquil village, Eleanor's life unfolds amidst nature's beauty. Her heart,
your own animation can even move around to make it even more lively. So you can chat such kind of a person up and even get to introduce your own kind of video to her and see if she can pay you to render the service of creating videos for her. So you want to check out if you can drop a comment on her video. With what I'm saying is asking me to open app. So because it's for kids, it might want me to open the YouTube app for kids, but I don't want to do that right now. Okay, so I'm just giving you a simple trick on how to get their attention. So maybe if you install the app, you'll be able to gain access to comment, and then you can use the comment section and get her attention. All right, so you can do it to as many channels as possible, and if you do it to like 10 channels in a day, you could get the attention of 1 or 2 of them, and you interact with them and show them a sample of what you can do and tell them if they are interested, you could be creating content for them and you don't mind they should pay you a certain amount. All right, and then you guys make plans on how to work together. Okay, so that's number 1 way to easily get customers for this kind of animation business. All right, so I hope you're loving this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and use the comment section, guys. All right, so now there is also another way to get customers. All right, and that is going straight to Fiverr.com. So Fiverr is a freelancing website where you get to advertise your skills and people get to patronize you. Okay, so you want to come to Fiverr and create an account as a freelancer. All right, I've actually created a video teaching you guys how to do that, so you can actually check it out on the video on the top right here right now. Okay, and then when you come over to Fiverr, you want to create an account as a freelancer so that people can employ you for your services. So for instance, let's say I'm a client and I'm looking for animated 3D videos. All right, so these are a list of people offering the service to create animated 3D videos. This one is charging $60, this one $10, $40, this one $5, this one $100. So it depends on the grade, it depends on the level. All right, and mind you, to create this animation that I'm teaching you is very easy, so you don't have to charge so high. You can charge as little as, you can put yours as little as $10, or maybe even $5 or $8, depending on how much you want to charge. Okay, so these are the different people offering the service of animation, so you can come here and post your service also. All right, and as simple as that, you can start getting clients to patronize you while you create simple videos with simple tools, and you see yourself making money with it. Do you like this video? Why not hit the like button? You can also use the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my make money online tips. And I'll see you on the next video. So go straight to the description of this video right now in order to watch that video and start learning these skills. Okay, and I'll see you on the next video.